Hello guys, in this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Uptime Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Right beside we have the tutorials. And under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup and you're simply going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on Settings. From the Settings drop-down menu, you're going to click on API and you're going to scroll down and copy your API key. After copying your key, you're going to head over back to your account and you're going to paste your API key. Click on Complete Setup. Great. Center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is about 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.